How does the oxygen atom influence water's structure? Imagine a tiny molecule that holds the key to water's many special qualities. That molecule is made up of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. The oxygen atom is much more electronegative than hydrogen, meaning it pulls shared electrons toward itself more strongly. This causes the bonds between oxygen and hydrogen to be polar, with the oxygen end slightly negative and the hydrogen end slightly positive. This polarity is what makes water a unique and vital substance. The oxygen atom has two lone pairs of electrons that do not bond with hydrogen. These lone pairs repel the hydrogen atoms, shaping the molecule into a bent or V shape with an angle of about 104.5 to 105 degrees between the hydrogen atoms. This bent shape means the two polar bonds do not cancel each other out, making the entire water molecule polar. Because of this polarity, water molecules can form hydrogen bonds. These bonds happen when the positive hydrogen atoms of one water molecule are attracted to the lone pairs of electrons on the oxygen atom of a nearby water molecule. Each oxygen atom can form up to two hydrogen bonds through its lone pairs, creating a network of connections. These hydrogen bonds arrange water molecules in a roughly tetrahedral shape, with two covalent bonds and two hydrogen bonds around each oxygen atom. The influence of the oxygen atom on water's structure explains many of water's properties. The bent shape and polarity allow water to be a good solvent for many substances. The hydrogen bonding network leads to water's high surface tension, high boiling point, and high melting point. It also causes ice to be less dense than liquid water because the hydrogen bonds in ice form an open, lattice-like structure that takes up more space. In practical terms, the oxygen atom's role makes water excellent at dissolving polar and charged substances, which is essential for life and many chemical reactions. The hydrogen bonds also help water regulate temperature, transport nutrients in living organisms, and influence environmental phenomena. So, the oxygen atom is the main reason water has its unique shape, polarity, and many of its important physical and chemical properties.